Let your creativity shine this summer with Camp Invention's all-new Illuminate program. Get ready to play, glow, build, and explore as you spark your imagination. Get in the game as you design and create your own light-up game board. It's sure to be high-scoring fun. Uncover the mystery of a glowing animal as you build and wire the circuit board for your own glow box and power up your ideas. Help people and the planet as you drop into an epic hydro adventure with a robotic lab on wheels. Become the next contestant on Prototyping Studio to collaborate on epic invention challenges. Then build and fill your toolbox to take your tools home for even more inventing. Don't miss out! Sign up for the all-new Camp Invention today and make this your brightest summer yet.